In this video, I will be showing you how to add speaker notes in Gamma AI. Let's get started. First, I'll select my presentation from the dashboard to open the editor. Once the deck is ready, I'll head to the top right corner and click on the Add Notes icon. This opens the Speaker Notes panel on the right side of the interface. I'll click in the Add a Notes field and type my reminders for this slide. To keep the flow going, I'll click the Next Card arrow at the bottom of the panel to move to the next section and type my notes there as well. Now that I've added my talking points, I'll close the panel by clicking the X in the corner. To see these notes in action, I'll click the Present button at the top right and select Presenter View. This opens a separate presenter window where I can view my current slide and my speaker notes side by side. As I navigate through the deck using the navigation arrows at the bottom, I can see all the notes for each card, helping me stay on track and organized during my presentation. And there you have it. That's the complete process of adding speaker notes in Gamma AI.